So yesterday we have done in the last 3-4 classes, I mean to say, we have done 4-5 problems on properties of determinants. What is common in all the problems is these operations are common. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. C1 changes to C2 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3. R1 minus R2, C1 minus C2. So these are the common elementary operations on rows and columns in 90% of the problems. So after getting some zeros, small numbers in the determinant, so take that row and column and then expand it, find the value of the determinant. So we'll go to the next question. So the next question is determinant of, show that determinant of, yes, you are having one determinant in the left hand side, right hand side, a plus b plus c, the whole cube. So answer is, you have to show that this determinant is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube is the answer. So you should try to, I'm sorry. So now I have written. Yes, now is it visible? Okay. I have taken a plus b plus c as a common factor. I get 1, 1, 1, and second and third row as it is, second and third row as they are. Then how to convert those 1, 1, 1 to 0? C1 changes to C1 minus C2, C2 changes to C2 minus C3. I have written. So what I get here? I'm writing here. Yes, I'll write here. Yes. Okay. So a plus b plus c already I've got. A plus b plus c already I've got here. A plus b plus c. So what I get? 1 minus C1 minus C2. This is C1, this is C2. This is C2. What is C1 minus C2? C1 minus C2 means 0. I get 0 here. 0. And again, next element, C1 minus C2. 2b minus of b minus c minus a. See, in such expressions, you will commit mistake. So how to subtract one expression from another? Write first expression, write minus, put bracket, second expression. I'll write in the margin, C1 minus C2. So C1 means first column contains 2b. C2 means second column contains what? B minus C minus A. So 2b minus of this, I will do it in the margin, 2b. So write like this in the rough, it's a rough work. 2b minus, compulsory you have to put bracket. Whenever there is a minus sign, put bracket, always. 2b minus into bracket, b minus c minus a. Where is b minus c minus a? Where it comes from? It is in the second column, you can see. So C1 minus C2. C1 means 2b minus of, C2 means b minus c minus a. So what is the 2b? 2b. Next, minus into plus is minus b. Minus into plus b is there. Minus into plus is minus b. So what is 2b minus b? 2b minus b is plus b. Plus b we have got, remember. And what is minus into minus c? Plus c. Minus into minus a plus a. So plus c plus a and 2b minus b, that is also plus b. So totally b plus c plus a. B plus c plus a is same as a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. You should do some rough work like this. So which you want to subtract? C1 minus C2. Write C1 minus, compulsorily put a bracket, C2. C1 minus C2. Minus into plus, minus into minus. You do everything. We get minus into minus plus. So A plus B plus C. Then after that, last term is C1 minus C2. Last term is 2C minus 2C. 2C minus 2C will be 0. I have written it in the wrong place. Just wait. A plus B plus C. You should write in the column. C1 changes to, I have written S. Make a correction. Please, just wait. I'll erase it. Yes. Yes. We'll start. Yes. C1 minus C2. So A plus B plus C I got here. A plus B plus C. Then 2C minus 2C, 0. 2C minus 2C, 0. So next, C2 changes to C2 minus C3. C2 changes to C2 minus C3. So what is C2 here? This is 1. C3 means 1. So what is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. Then yes, difficulty comes here. C2 minus C3. C2 means B minus C minus A. C3 means minus 2B. B minus C minus A minus 2B. I'll write in the margin here. Rough work you have to do. Nobody can write directly. B minus C minus A minus 2B. Yes, I've written here. You have to do it like this in the margin. So minus C minus A as they are. And what is B minus 2B? What about this first term and last term? B minus 2B is minus B. So B minus 2B is minus B, and already minus C minus A is there. So minus B minus C minus A. Take minus common, B plus C plus A, or A plus B plus C. So when you take minus common, then we get A plus B plus C. I got A plus B plus C. Correct? And the last one will be 2C minus of this. 2C minus of C minus A minus B. Again, do it in the margin, some rough work. 2C minus into bracket C minus A minus B. What is minus into minus? It becomes plus. So we get A plus B plus C here also. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. So C1 changes to C1 minus C2. C2 changes to C2 minus C3. Third column as it is. I'll not write it. There is no place. I'll write as it is. That means correct. So C1 changes to C1 minus C2. C2 changes to C2 minus C3. So now what is common? What is common in the second row? A plus B plus C is common. And what is common in the third row? Again, A plus B plus C is common. A plus B plus C common from the second row. Again, A plus B plus C common from the third row. We get totally 2 factors, and already 1 factor is there. I'll write. So here I'll write that is equal to A plus B plus C. It is already here. It is there outside. Now one more A plus B plus C, and again one more A plus B plus C. So why we get 2 A plus B plus C? Because one A plus B plus C from second row and another from third row. First row as it is 0, 0, 1 as it is. Second row, if I take A plus B plus C common, what I get? Can you write on the chat box? If I take A plus B plus C common from the second row, what I get? If I take A plus B plus C as a common factor, what I get? Yes, 1 minus 1, 2B. 1 minus 1, 2B. 1 minus 1, 2B. And third row, from third row also I have taken A plus B plus C common. So what I get from the third row? If I take A plus B plus C common, 0, 1, 0, 1, and what is the last term? C minus A minus B. Last term is C minus A minus B. See, it's very simple. It's as simple as that. First operation is R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. You have to add all the rows. This is the first operation. Then A plus B plus C is a common factor from the first row. If you take common factor outside, 1, 1, 1 we get. So when we get to 1, 1, 1, so 50% of the problem is over, because after getting 1, 1, 1, we can easily make them 0. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So same thing I have done. C1 minus C2, C2 minus C3. So we get 2 zeros. And again A plus B plus C is common. Some rough work you have to do in the margin, because you have to subtract 2B minus of B minus C minus A. A plus B plus C minus of that. So when you are subtracting, put a bracket and do the rough work in the margin. Sometimes you get minus into minus, minus into plus. So all those things you have to do in the margin. It's the rough work. Then you write the answer here in the determinant. So take A plus B plus C common factor from the first row as well as from the second row. Kumar, K. Kumar. Yes, what is the doubt? Yes, what is your doubt? Write your doubt on the chat box. Yes. Yes, C2 minus C1, C3 minus C2 also you can do. You can write C2 minus C1, C3 minus C2. But that is a wrong step. I'll explain. Mr. Kumar Bhagat, everybody has to listen. This operation is not appropriate. He is saying first C2 changes to C2 minus C1 he is saying. Then C3 changes to C3 minus C2. It looks correct. When you look at this, it looks correct, but this is wrong. I will tell you why. When you are writing C2 here, C2 has changed. C2 has changed. We have got new C2. In the next step, what you're writing? C3 minus C2. Which type of C2 is it is? Is it old C2 or the new C2? Where what you have changed here? So that's the problem. So when you write C3 minus C2 here, C2 means is it old C2 or new C2? You cannot write old. What is the guarantee? Because already it has been changed. So that's why you should not do like this. You should not write in this way. C2 changes to C2 minus C1, C3 changes to C3 minus C2. That is not appropriate, because when you change C2, this C2 you cannot use here because it leads to confusion whether it's old C2 or new C2. So don't write like this. C2 minus C1 you never do. Write in increasing order. C1 minus C2, C2 minus C3. That is safe. You may get wrong results if you do like this, because this C2 refers to new C2, because already C2 has changed and you cannot use the old column. Already it has changed. Okay. So this is not appropriate. You may get wrong answer. So write in increasing order. C1 minus C2, C2 minus C3, R1 minus R2, like this. So Kumar, that is not correct. Okay. So do always like this. C1 minus C2, C2 minus C3. I hope it's clear. Yes, that you can do, Kumar. C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1. You can do. C2 changes to C2 minus C1. C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Because I'm not using C2, which has already changed. That is it, right? That's correct. You can do any other operation that you want. Just wait. I'm sorry. Yes. Now you can expand it. Already you are having 2 zeros. So take the first row and expand it, please. Take the first row and expand. Expand means plus minus plus. You write plus minus plus. Write the sign scheme and find the value of the determinant. Yes, please, everyone, do it. Please do it. Just a minute. I will erase it. Okay. So a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. It is a plus b plus c whole cube. It's a plus b plus c whole cube. So what I get? A plus b plus c whole cube here. A plus b plus c whole cube. Yes, please find the value of the determinant by using sign scheme. Plus, minus, plus. If you expand it by taking plus, minus, plus, 0, 0 means you can write 0, 0. 0 into anything is 0. Last one, plus 1 into, plus 1 into. Leave this row, leave this column, please. Highlight ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. I highlighted it. Delete this row, delete this column. Yes, I have marked that. Delete it. So what I get? You get always 4 numbers. What are these 4 numbers? 1, minus 1, 0, 1. How to find the value of this? 1 minus 1, 0, 1. You have to cross multiply and subtract. 1 into 1, 0 into 1. So 1 into 1, 0 into 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 means only this is the answer. A plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube. That is the RHS. This is the RHS. Is it clear? The last question. In the last question, the answer was 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. Now it is a plus b plus c whole cube. Naveen, is there any doubt? Naveen Hebbal. Naveen Hebbal, is it clear? Vijayaraj, is it clear? Vijayaraj, is it clear? If it's clear, write clear on the chat box. Okay. Okay. We'll go to the next question. Yes. The next question is, show that determinant of, yes, Show that determinant of 1 plus A 1 1 1 1 plus B 1 1 1 1 plus C. Previous page. Why? Anurag? Yes. This is the previous page. What is the doubt here? Yes, come on. What is your doubt? Anurag, you can ask the doubt in the chat box. Or if you want to speak, I will unmute you. Do you want to speak? Anurag, if you want to ask the doubt, I will unmute. You can speak. Okay, just I will unmute you. Wait, please. Now Anurag will ask some doubt. Yes, Anurag, please ask the doubt. Come on.
Sir, I didn't understood this side, sir.
Which one?
C1 changes to C1 minus C2. You did not, sir. That one, sir.
C1 minus C2. So what is the first element in C1? 1. What is the second element in C2? First element in C2, 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0.
1.
So you're not understanding how you get A plus
Yes,
B
sir.
plus C, right? I'll explain once again. I'll explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait.
Yes.
Okay. So what he's asking is how we get A plus B plus C here. And when you do C1 minus C2, I'll explain once again. So C1 minus C2 I have done here, right? C1 minus C2 I have written. So C1 means what is the first element in C1? 1. And what is the first element in C2? 1. So what is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. I have written 0 here. Correct? And next, you have to be very careful. C1, first column contains 2B and second column contains B minus C minus A. C1 minus C2 means 2B minus of B minus C minus A. You have to write it very carefully. You have to do in the margin. I have done it here in the margin. Please observe. Yes. Line I have done it here. So C1 means 2B. I have written 2B here minus, put a bracket, C2 means B minus C minus A. C1 means 2B minus C2 means B minus C minus A. So C1 minus C2. So when you expand this bracket, what is minus into plus? Minus into plus is minus B. So 2B is here and minus B we get in the bracket. So what is 2B minus B? 2B minus B is B plus B. Okay, remember plus B I got. Next, what is minus into minus? Plus C. Next, remember, what is minus into minus? Plus A. So first you got B here, minus into minus plus C, minus into minus plus A. So B plus C plus A. So what is B plus C plus A? It is same as A plus B plus C. That's very simple. So without this rough work in the margin, you will not be able to write what we get. So in the margin, you have to write the calculation, subtracting. Put a bracket after minus sign, compulsorily put a bracket, minus into plus, add all the terms, and whatever answer you get, you write it in the determinant. We get A plus B plus C. Okay, very good. We'll go to the next question. A plus B plus C common from the third row. Yes, A plus B plus C are not taken common from third row. A plus B plus C, not third row, it's column I'm telling. I've taken A plus B plus C common from the first column, A plus B plus C common from the second column. Yes, I told row. Okay, I'm sorry. I told row, not from the row. Yes, here. A plus B plus C is common in the first column. Correct? First column. And again, A plus B plus C common in the second column. You're right. I said row on the other occasion. Not row, it's column. A plus B plus C is common in the first column because 0 means it contains everything as a common factor. And second column, you observe second column. 0, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Achut, correct? So A plus B plus C common from the first column, A plus B plus C common from the second column. Not row, you're right. Okay. Common from first column, second column. Two factors we get, and already one factor exists. Already one factor is there. So we get A plus B plus C whole cube. Next question we go. Yes. Take the left hand side. Determinant of 1 plus A, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus B, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus C. Yes. So here there is no any specific factor here. The answer is A, B, C. So A, B, C means it's not a factor like A plus B plus C or A minus B. If it is A plus B plus C, we do the operation like R1 plus R2 plus R3. If it is A minus B, R1 minus R2 will do. So, but here there is no specific factor here. You can expand immediately, but try to get some zeros and then expand. Instead of expanding the first step itself, it will be very lengthy expression. So get some zeros, then it becomes a very small expression. So what you suggest? Okay. Okay. Yes. What operation you will suggest? R1 changes to R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Shall we do R1 minus R2? And R2 changes to R2 minus R3. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. As somebody has said, take A, B, C common from the row. Actually, A is not common in the first row, but if you take common, we get 1 by A, 1 by A. If you take B common, if it is not common, even if you take B common, we get 1 by B, 1 by B. Abhishek. You can take A, B, C common, but that's not, good operation. It becomes, we get fractions, 1 by A, 1 by B. When you get fractions, it's very difficult to calculate. So just do R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3. Reason, Abhishek, reason is get some zeros. Huh? So nothing specific for that operation. So what I get, if I do R1 minus R2, please tell me. R1, be careful. If there is any confusion, write it in the margin. This is R1. This is R1. Observe here. This is R2. Correct? I will mark here. R1 minus R2. I have put the arrow mark. Observe. R1 minus R2. So what I get? R1 minus R2 means 1 plus A minus 1. What is 1 plus A minus 1? You can do some rough work here. 1 plus A minus 1. 1, 1 cancel. I get A. Correct? A. Next, what is the next term? Yes, here you will do the mistake. R1 minus R2. 1 minus of 1 plus B. If you don't put bracket, your answer will be wrong. 1 minus of 1 plus B. I'll write here in the margin. 1 minus of 1 plus B. 1. How you simplify the bracket? 1 minus into plus, minus 1, minus into plus, minus B. Observe now only. 1 minus 1 cancelled. What is the answer? Minus B. Do it in the margin. You will not get direct answer. You will be confused. 1 minus into bracket. You may ask, where is the bracket, sir? Bracket you have to put, because 1 plus B. There are 2 terms. When there are 2 terms, 3 terms, put a bracket. Next, again, 1 minus 1. R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is over. First row is over. Then similarly, R2 minus R3. R2 is here and R3 is here. I will mark. I will put arrow mark here. R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. So R2, first element is 1. R3, first element is 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. Next, 1 plus B minus 1. What is 1 plus B minus 1? Margin. Go to the margin. 1 plus B minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancelled. Answer is B. There is no any, it's not a mistake. You can do some rough work in the margin. Draw a line. Take some space as margin. You can do the rough work. After doing the rough work, you can strike it out or keep as it is. So rough work you can do. And last term is, yes, last term is 1 minus of 1 plus C. Put a bracket. 1 minus of 1 plus C. So 1 will be cancelled. Minus into plus, minus C. And please don't write R3 changes to R3. No, 3 operations. Not correct. Only 2 operations. Third row as it is. 1, 1, 1 plus C. 1 plus C. 1, 1, 1 plus C. Okay. Now I'll expand it. Expanding means find the value of the determinant by taking the sign scheme. You can take first row, first column, whatever you like. I will take first row. Plus, minus, plus. Take the first row and expand it. So first A plus A into bracket. Tell me the minor. Minor means 2 cross 2 determinant. So what will be the minor? Yes, you can expand by taking second column. I don't mind. So A into what is the minor? Minor means delete this row, delete this column. I have marked here. If you delete the first row and first column, what I get? What are the 4 numbers here? First row, first column in a bit buddy. Yeah? Yes, in your notebook. You can take some scale or you can use. Just close the first row and close the first column. What numbers I get? B minus C, 1, 1 plus C. Very good. We get B here. Many of you are doing, many of you are committing mistake here while writing the minor. B minus C, 1, 1 plus C. Correct, I have written. Next, minus into minus, plus B. Minus into minus, plus B. Again, write the minor. Minor means delete this row and delete this column now. Delete this row and this column. What are the numbers now? 4 numbers. 0, minus C, 1, 1 plus C. 0, minus C, 1. I'm sorry. Where I have written? Okay, no problem. 1, 1 plus C. 1, 1 plus C. This is determined. Just strike this out. So plus B into this I get. So I expanded by taking the first row. And last number is 0. 0 into anything is 0. You can write it or you can leave it. You need not write. So what is the next step? Next step I'll write. That is equal to. That is equal to A into bracket. Yes. How to find this value of determinant? B into 1 plus C. How to multiply B into 1 plus C? B into 1, B. B into C, BC. So I get B plus BC. B plus BC. Then minus of. What is 1 into minus C? Next, these two numbers. 1 into minus C is minus C. But you have to subtract. Minus of minus C will be plus C. Minus of minus C will be plus C. Next, plus B into bracket. Yes, 0 into anything. 0 into 1 plus C, 0. Minus of minus plus C. So we get 0 plus C. 0 plus C. Am I correct? No? Okay. So what I get? Now multiply the bracket. A into B. A into B. AB. A into B. First term is A into B. Next, A into BC. A into BC is ABC. A into C. A into C is AC. And last, B into 0, leave it. B into C, BC. Yes, B into C, BC. So AB plus ABC plus AC plus BC. Now, what is common now? AB, ABC, AC, BC. Actually, nothing is common. AB and ABC, AB is common. ABC and AC, AC is common. So there is no any common factor in all the terms. But still then, if you take ABC common, what I get? First, I'll observe this term. If I take ABC outside, what remains? We get 1. Because ABC into 1 is ABC. Observe. Mark round. If I take ABC outside, I get 1. Next, after this, here in BC, next term I will mark. In BC, I've taken not only BC common, I've taken A also common, but A is not there. When A is not there, you have to balance. What you have to balance? 1 by A. Because what is ABC into 1 by A? ABC divided by A. A will be cancelled. Right in the margin. ABC into 1 by A. ABC into 1 by A means A is cancelled. A will be cancelled. What I get? BC. So if you take ABC common from BC, we get 1 by A because A is not there. Next, in AC, I've taken ABC common, but B is not there. When B is not there, you have to balance 1 by B. Plus, last you observe AB. In AB, I've taken AB common, but also I've taken C common, but C is not there. C is not there means 1 by C. So which factor is not there? You have to balance it by dividing. So when you take ABC common, we get 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Sometimes this is the RHS actually, but sometimes in the exam, he may also give like this. A, B, C he will give. Then what he will give is into bracket 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. This is cyclic. Cyclic means you can give sigma 1 by A. You can give sigma 1 by A. Correct? So ABC into bracket 1 plus sigma 1 by A you'll give. So this can be also asked like this. Is it clear? So time is going to up now. So there is no specific operation here, just R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3. Try to get some zeros. Expand by taking the first row, plus minus plus, then you'll get the answer. take ABC common. If it is not common, you have to balance 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. So we'll meet tomorrow